16 foods you're eating the wrong way, and how to fix it. Think you're eating healthy? You might be sabotaging your meals without even knowing it. These 16 everyday foods are often eaten the wrong way, and today, I'll show you how to fix that. Welcome back to the Healthy Living channel, your go-to for simple food tips that make a big difference. Let's dive into these food fixes that your body will thank you for. 1. Honey, don't add to boiling liquids. Adding honey to boiling water kills its beneficial enzymes. Wait until your tea cools to below 40 degrees Celsius 104 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Chocolate, keep cool, not cold. Refrigerating chocolate can cause it to lose flavor and get that white coating, sugar bloom. Store it in a cool pantry. 3. Broccoli, steam, don't boil. Boiling destroys up to 50% of broccoli's vitamin C. Steaming keeps it crisp and nutrient-packed. 4. Apples, wash skin well. The skin is full of fiber and antioxidants, but it also traps pesticides. Wash thoroughly or use baking soda soap. 5. Pineapple, don't skip the core. The tough core has the highest concentration of bromelain, a natural anti-inflammatory enzyme. Slice it thin to chew easily. 6. Avocado, ripen outside the fridge. Avocados need room temperature to ripen. Refrigeration slows this process and affects texture. 7. Lemon, zest first for flavor. Always zest before cutting. You'll get the flavorful oils without the juice mess. 8. Ice in smoothies, avoid too much. Too much ice dilutes your smoothie's nutrients and flavor. Use frozen fruit instead for thickness and taste. 9. Garlic, crush and let rest. After crushing garlic, wait 10 minutes before cooking to allow allicin, its key compound, to activate. 10. Tomatoes, cook for more nutrients. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, becomes more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked. 11. Bread, don't refrigerate. Cold temperatures dry bread out faster. Store in a bread box or freezer if needed. 12. Kiwi, skin is edible. Yes, you can eat the fuzzy skin. It's rich in fiber and vitamin C, just rinse well. 13. Potatoes, avoid frying often. Frying can produce acrylamide, a harmful compound. Boil, bake, or air fry instead. 14. Carrots, cook for better absorption. Cooking carrots helps your body absorb more beta-carotene, great for your eyes. 15. Rice, always rinse first. Rinsing removes excess starch and possible contaminants. Your rice will be fluffier too. 16. Eggs, don't overcook. Boiling too long makes them rubbery and destroys nutrients. Stick to 8 to 10 minutes for hard-boiled perfection. These small changes can make a huge impact on your health, and they're so easy to do. So next time you eat, remember to eat smart. Which food surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips like these.